Welcome to Tutorak Kids!
Hi guys! In front of us we have a flower that has sums on its petals. Our job is to count them and figure out which color to use. Let's call the bees to help us. 6 bees plus 6 bees make 12, and that's the color yellow. 10 bees plus 5 bees makes 15, and that's the color pink. 10 bees plus 4 makes 14. That's the color purple. 10 minus 2, we need to take away the bees. How many are left? That's 8, right? And that's the color orange. 10 minus 5, we have 5 bees left, and that's the color blue. 5 bees plus 10 bees, that makes 15, and that's the color pink. 8 plus 6, that makes 14, and that's the color purple. 4 bees plus 4 bees, that makes 8 bees, and that's the color orange. And the last one, 5 bees plus 0 bees, that leaves us with 5 bees, and that's the color blue. Great job, everyone! Hope you had fun!
Thank you for watching. See you next time.